We all have our own journey and choose our own path, each with a unique story to share. Capture all your adventures and more with QooCam. QooCam is the revolutionary 3D stereo and 360-degree camera to unleash the way you shoot. QooCam is the first camera in the world equipped with a state-of-the-art rotatable 3-lens camera, allowing QooCam to not only record 360-degree 4K videos, but also 3D stereo videos. QooCam comes equipped with shake-free technology, so your picture is always smooth. And its unique switchable structure allows you to effortlessly change modes to easily adapt to whatever the day brings. For every exploration, destination, or experience you share, QooCam will capture all your most memorable moments, even at 120 frames per second, for amazing effects. Shoot freely with QooCam. No matter how you position the camera, QooCam will capture it. With 3D stereo lenses and the groundbreaking depth-based technology, you can even refocus and reframe the photos after you've shot them. Our editing app allows you to use incredible technology to not only discover the best shot, but enhance them to the next level. Live stream your 360-degree panoramic or your 180 degrees of 3D space anytime, anywhere. Imagine an easy and simple way to record, edit, and share all your 360-degree and 3D moments, all in one place. QooCam uses the most cutting-edge imaging technology. We pack incredible professional features into a small camera, giving you a powerful and revolutionary new way of thinking. Explore the possibilities with QooCam, the next generation of imaging.